Hello, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. If this is your first visit, welcome. And if you are a return visitor, thank you for coming back. This is a Silver and Sparkles kit that I'm going to do a flip through of. I am a design team member, and this kit will be made into a project for the design team. This kit is called Vintage Spring Easter Collection. Yes, I know it's after Easter, so I purposefully didn't print all the fun Easter images because I thought even though it's an Easter collection, I can use it for a whole lot more. So let's take a look. Again, there's eggs on this page, but there's also some beautiful florals along with the eggs. I'll probably still use this paper, but just in case, I could also just use that image. I didn't print all of the Easter. There were beautiful Easter pages, but I did not print them all. This one, and I printed this on the back side. That one has the nice lines that would be beautiful for journaling. I think most of these pages are meant to be like this. Okay, so there's that. I just love the vintagey look of these. Now see, this one has eggs on here, some flowers, but this side doesn't have any eggs. So again, these would be great go-tos throughout the year when you just want some flowers on vintagey backgrounds. Aren't they beautiful? I love the subtleness of the colors, like these random splotches. And I do not know what I'm doing with this kit, but whatever I do, it's going to be very vintagey. And again, I did not print all of the pages. That one I didn't do double-sided. I think the rest of these aren't double-sided. So just some nice background sheets. That one, my printer decided to stop, but it's still usable. And then these I printed on sticker paper because they're these beautiful doily borders. And yes, you could use this as a page, but I would rather cut these out and use them as embellishments. Aren't they gorgeous? Of course, I'll just cut around the outside edges and leave the inside of the doilies back there because that would be impossible to cut. So that's on the sticker sheet. This one is, again, printed off kilter. I was just struggling with my printer. And the same type of shapes of doily borders, just not quite. Even though it printed off kilter, I can still use almost all of these. And then I printed this on just cardstock, and it's an ephemera page. Gorgeous, right? And like I said, oh, that one printed off the edge, but I can make it work. This is just a quick flip through of this awesome kit from Silver and Sparkles. And it's called Vintage Spring Easter Collection. It is available in their Etsy shop. The link to their shop, to the Silver and Sparkles Pam shop, I shouldn't say there, it's Pam shop. The link to her shop is included in the link tree, and my link tree is listed in the description of this video. And if you don't want to go to my link tree, you can search Silver and Sparkles shop name in Etsy and see what other wonderful kits and such that she has in her shop. And keep an eye on my channel because I will be doing something with this in the next week or so. And I'm sure you want to come back and see, right? Okay, if you haven't already subscribed, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. I love hearing what you have to say about the kits. And let me know if you do decide to go look at the shop, if you found something you can't live without, because just maybe I don't have it and I can't live without it either. Thanks for visiting my channel. Have a wonderful day, night, afternoon, whatever it is where you are, and Happy crafting.